It's time for another episode in our Enfagrow A+ Learn and Grow video series. We're going to play a social development game called Cleaning Time, made for 19-month-old toddlers. Let's go over what makes this game so great. It encourages role play to process everyday situations and experiences. It helps boost fine and gross motor skills and balance. Plus, it teaches simple tasks. Ready? Hand your toddler a washcloth and ask them to help wipe the table. Demonstrate how it's done, and then let your child try. Be generous with your encouragement. Now, hand your toddler a broom and tell them it's time to sweep. They'll grab the broom and begin sweeping. Congratulate your little one on a job well done. Now, let's put away these toys. Grab a few items and start putting them in a box. Then encourage your child to do the same. Once everything is in its place, it's time to celebrate. This activity is a great way to teach simple tasks while crossing off a few household chores. Best of all, they're learning with a great big smile. Find more development boosting games at Enfagrow.ca.